Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 2nd to 6th March 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So yeah, this is a chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. So let's straight away talk about the closing first on Friday. So here, as you can see in Euro USD, 0.10% positive move, 1.18082 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see 1.18082 was the closing. Here we can see a bullish candle with a small body and a medium lower and upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 7382 level, which is indicating as a negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for stochastic RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our 1-day chart. So yeah, this is a 1-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you want to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number, or you can use the link given in the description to directly buy the course where I teach you live one-on-one session. There are no pre-recorded sessions. I directly teach you on one-on-one basis, and which is always live. So if you are interested, then do let me know in the comment section. Also, if you are interested, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. So let's talk about the closing first. So here, before that, some important support and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any such levels. So here the closing is 1.18082, direct support is 1.17882, and direct resistance is 1.18202. After direct support, there is a support of 1.17670 and then 1.17454. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.18507 and then 1.18755. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, if you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Even I have shared discount coupon codes in the description which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. Also, if you think that these funding or prop firms have too many rules that you can't trade, then you can also try the real account. I have also shared a broker which is GTC FX. You can directly open your account from there. Once you open the account from there, do WhatsApp me. I will directly add you to my premium Telegram channel where I share my trades, so you can directly take some trades from there as well, which is not even illegal, or it's totally legal from the broker side. So you can use those broker as well. So you can open your account from there. I have already shared prop firm links and the real broker link in the description. Also, now let's talk about the closing and my expectation. So here 1.18802 was the closing. Overall, my expectation in Euro USD is a bit positive. I'm expecting a positive move in this set, that is 1.182022 to 1.18507. I'm expecting a closing in this range. But if this level gets breached, and if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.17882 gets breached and a 1-day or a 4-hour candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till this level, that is 1.17670. If there is a big gap down opening, then you can directly go for a short trade till this level, even this level as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive for this week in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.